As a beginner, this mistake can really stop you from learning new things and cause your skill to plateau. Hello and welcome to Creatively Python. Be sure to watch this video till the end because you do not want to keep making this mistake. One of the biggest mistakes beginners can make is watching way too many tutorials one after the other. This is called being in a tutorial hell. The issue with watching way too many tutorials is that you do not gain much skill even though you might feel like you're making progress. Beginners tend to do this because it is way easier to follow a tutorial than to learn from a course or make their own projects and learn from it. Solution to this problem is easier than you expect. It is to make projects, specifically projects that are slightly above your skill level. And feel free to Google any problem that you face. It is a part of the learning process. But this doesn't mean you should just jump into a project without learning the basics of the language first. I recommend learning the language, still you can make quite complex programs and then implementing this way of learning. Remember, the project difficulty must be just slightly higher than your skill level. Even though you might not end up with a very complex project at the end, the skill and experience that you just learned will be far more valuable. If you gained any kind of value from this video, be sure to subscribe as you might like my other videos too. Thank you for watching.